Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In today's video, I'm showing you a affordable makeup tutorial where I will be playing with a drugstore palette. So I'm gonna create this kind of like soft glam look, and also I really need to catch up with you guys because a lot has been happening in my life lately. But the first thing I'm gonna do is use some eyebrow gel. And then I use this eyeshadow primer, which is from Rare Beauty. Such a beautiful eyeshadow primer, especially if your skin is a little bit more to the dry side. I think you will really like this one. So I'm applying this all over the eyelid, and then after applying that, I will set it with a little bit of powder just to lock everything in place to make sure that it isn't gonna like budge. So for this you can use some translucent powder or just your regular powder that you always use for your face. It doesn't really matter, just make sure that it's not too thick. Now this is the palette I'm going to use from Catrice, and I'm going to start with this white color and apply this all the way underneath the highest point of my eyebrow. Now I want to catch up with you guys because a few months ago we started renovations at our home. We paid a really high amount beforehand, and first they were gonna do our floor, which was dramatic. They didn't show up. Then after they did show up, they didn't give us the result we wanted, so they had to do it over, and then they had to do it over again, and it was really annoying because we had to leave our house because we couldn't go in our house, and it took a few days to dry. So we just had to go on and off from our house, and it has been super stressful, especially with a little kid. He is almost 2, by the way. Time is flying so quick, but it has been super stressful for me because I don't know if you guys have ever been through renovation, like especially if you have paid upfront and you don't know if the company is really going to do what they promised. It really took a lot of my mental health. Now the second thing is that we also hired a different company and they also don't show up, and we pay them a lot of money. Now I am in contact with them, and they told us they're just giving us new dates and then they don't keep their promises. We also paid for our bathroom, and some of y'all probably know how expensive that is. And I think we paid already around like 80% of it. If you guys ever renovate something at your home, don't pay up front. Don't make the same mistake as we did. And also make sure that if you do work with a company, that you really know that it's trustworthy and that you maybe have friends that have worked with them and they're positive. Oh my god, it's been the biggest mistake of my life. I also told you guys in one of my previous videos that I was gonna get a new studio room and that I was so excited to start filming new videos for you guys. But it's been 2 months ago and they still haven't done what they were supposed to do. Now they say they're gonna come next week. But honestly, I don't have any hopes. But I will update you guys in my next video if there are any changes. But that's kind of the reason why I haven't been active on my YouTube at all, because it has been taking a lot from my mental health, and then I got sick, and then I got sick again, and it kind of felt like COVID 2.0 because I have never been sick in my life for this long. I'm still not 100%. I still have like my ribs hurt from like coughing, but it's been like 1.5 weeks. I've never been sick for so long. I've never taken so many painkillers, but I'm slowly starting to get better, and I am so excited because I mean, this is December. This is my favorite month of the year to film videos for you guys. But my house is a mess. It's just terrible. But I promise you guys, I'm gonna try at least for the upcoming 3 weeks to upload as much videos that I can. But I just wanted to update you guys why I haven't been active, just because my life has been very stressful. But I feel like every time I come up with excuses, but just know that I really want to film more, but it's just a lot lately. But yeah, I hope you guys are doing well. Let me know what you guys are up to. How are you? Are you excited for the holidays? Let me know in the comments. I just want to say thanks for watching. I really appreciate everyone that is still watching my videos. And just let me know what you want to see, because you know I'm known from my eye makeup tutorials. But if there's anything else you want to see, maybe like something else, let me know. I want to change my channel a little bit. Of course, I still want to do whatever I'm always doing, because that's why everyone subscribed to my channel, and I don't want to like completely change it. But I want to just produce more cool content for you guys. Like, I feel like I've been promising that for years, but I'm ready for it. I want to show you more of my personal life. I want to show you more full makeup tutorials. I've been missing to do these videos because ever since becoming a mom, I haven't like worn a lot of makeup. I think it's also due to me breastfeeding. Like, for me, it's a full-time job. Like, I have to bring him to bed. He only wants to sleep on the breast, and that's all fine. Like, I don't complain, but it is a lot of work. But yeah, this is the finished result. I hope you all like this video. Sorry for making it so personal, but I just wanted to update you guys. And I just appreciate all of you, and hopefully I will see you all in the next one. Bye guys!